doing well.
Order number 2 of Mr. Hassett. Please, your reaction to those numbers at 3%.
Right, well, India's had a market that's been pretty much closed to American products, and we've been wide open to theirs. And I think President Trump is frustrated with the progress we've made with India, but feels that a 25% tariff will address and remedy the situation in a way that's good for the American people. I think that there's still hope for progress, and if the progress isn't what the president wants, then the deadline will kick in August.
How did you settle on a 25% rate for India? What's that going to mean for a country like India that exports more goods to the U.S. than to any other country?
Right. Well, I think that what's going to happen is that India is going to cut their prices to the U.S. In order to maintain their market share. That's what everybody else has been doing. And then they might reconsider their practices, which have led to this higher rate. And over time, I would guess that Indian firms will be onshoring production in the U.S. and Indians might even open their markets more to us so that we reconsider a future trade deal. So over here, anytime. And so I think that the ground is set for very positive developments. But in the end, the president drives hard bargains. He's going to look at what Secretary Bessent especially has produced, and he probably will have some changes that he wants to make before we announce any kind of agreement. And I remind you that when real income is growing at 3%, that means that whatever you think the tariff effect on prices is, that real incomes went up by 3% more than that in the last quarter. And so President Trump's policies are definitely working. I had a last question over here. Hey.